Alright, quick bike check. First start with ODI grips, long necks. Yep. Still in good shape. Bar end still in good shape. Animal GLH. Yep. There. Harrow stem. It's stock stem. Stock bars, stock fork. I painted the bars in the fork. Then I got stock frame, Harrow. It's a Harrow frame with animal pivotal post. Then I got stock cranks, unsealed. I got one white Odyssey pedal and a clear Odyssey pedal. Yeah, the white one's my friend's. It's a long story. Then I got the red McNeil rim. It's a really good rim, you know. Back GLH tire. I ride two MK3s, animal MK3s on the right side. Primo hub guard and Shadow conspiracy chain, Harrow sprocket, and yep, that's basically it. All right.